So you've probably seen these curious planes flying all over the city. People have found them intriguing, maybe a little crazy, and generally entertaining.
I mean, somebody that stepped in it, obviously.
But it's time to come clean about who LW is and what prompted the 1,000-foot sad girl text. It was me, or us rather. I'm Sarah, a very busy mom, anti-LW activist, and your friend from Asurion. And you actually deal with LW too. Everyone has LWs in their lives, and I think you deserve better. But I'm good, I've got a partner and a dog, you might say. Well, LW isn't a romantic interest. LW is limited warranties. You know, the things that last for about a year, then are long gone when you actually need them. It's 2024. We can get mattresses delivered to our doors in boxes. We can buy cars without leaving our PJs. And we're relying on our technology more and more in the home. But nothing about this has gotten any easier. That's why we made Tech Care. One plan takes care of all of your home's techie troubles for your devices or your appliances. No more digging around for receipts, spending on costly repairs, or Googling DIY fixes. Now you've got a team of friendly experts at the ready for just about anything. For this, just get a quick repair. And this, replaced in a pinch. And if your laptop goes berserk at 11 p.m., an expert will talk you through a fix at any hour of the night. Oh, and we take care of installs too. It's 24/7 tech care at your service, whenever, wherever, and however you need it. It's pretty great, and millions of people seem to think so. So if you're interested, take a half scroll down this page and click the button to learn more.